Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get free credits in Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI app that can help you create content like AI talking photo like this, avatar video, product photo, and then you can also create a marketing content like this, product showcase like this, and do many creative tasks quickly using AI. So having credits will let you use more of its features. And if you want to try this app, just click the download link in the descriptions or pinned comment below. I have added a link at there. And after opening the app, just go to the home page like this. And next, just tap on the earn credits, this one. And then in here, you will see several tasks that you can complete to get free credits. And I think one of the easiest way is by inviting friends. This one, invite a friends. In here you can get 120 credits. So just tap on go and then just copy the link and then just share the link with friends on social media like maybe TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook, or even WhatsApp. Just share it to your friends and then you can invite up to 5 friends to sign up and you'll get the rewards of 3 free days and 120 credits, and you will get 200 more if your friends subscribe this app. And for the free credits will automatically be added to your account. So make sure to check the earn credits menu and complete the tasks to get more free credits in Pippit AI. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.